Hello friends, this is Lini Hajinsu. Welcome to my channel that is all about enhancing what you have. Today we are going to review Mediheal NMF Acquiring Gel Eye Fill Patch. It comes in a beautiful blue and silver packet which I am living for. English instructions aren't as such available on it, so it was a little bothersome. It claims to help erase fine lines, smooths the skin by offering ultimate moisturization, melts dead skin cells gently, age-defying ingredients penetrate the skin to boost hydration levels and restore youthful elastic skin. It includes sodium hyaluronate and ceramide that are beneficial for firmer skin. So, I bought 2 of these masks that I will be using on 2 different occasions. Then I will let you know my final thoughts in the end. So this is me before using the eye patches. I have prominent dark circles with puffiness under my eyes. You can see 2 lines under my eyes as well. I do have crow feet too, but it isn't noticeable. These eye patches come in a plastic tray and there is no significant smell of the product. Each patch is covered by plastic on both sides to keep the moisture locked in, I guess. I removed one side of the cover and then applied the patch under the eye. Then I removed the other plastic cover afterward. Let me show it to you one more time. It doesn't move once it sits on your skin no matter what you do. The serum of this eye patch is very slimy and thick, but it isn't sticky. Also, it doesn't even drip down. This mask itself has a weird, faint smell. I don't know how to explain it. So, I will see you guys after 45 minutes. This mask itself is pretty thin and it stayed put on my skin even when I was working in the kitchen. It felt very comfortable, cooling, and refreshing on my skin throughout. My skin feels moisturized and still non-sticky. I like that. It has lightened my dark circles. It has plumped up my skin, due to which the appearance of fine lines is less harsh. Overall, I liked its results so far, but I need to try it once more before I give my final verdict. Look how thin it is. Wow. So I'm going to retry it after 20 days. The last time I used these, my under eye area remained moisturized for an entire day. So I have high hopes for today. I will see you after 50 minutes. I think my results are pretty much the same as it was the first time. I still have the same thoughts about it. I think it is an excellent product for under eyes, especially before an important event. It works remarkably on puffiness, darkness, and fine lines. I will rate it 4.5 by 5, minus 0.5 for the price is expensive. Don't you think so? Let me know your thoughts below, okay? Bye!